Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some translational medicine trivia. What initiative focuses on bridging basic science and clinical applications? A. NIH Clinical and Translational Science Awards, or B. Biomedical Innovation Fund, or C. National Research Initiative, or D. Health Sciences Initiative. The correct answer is A. NIH Clinical and Translational Science Awards. What are the primary phases of clinical trials? A. Phase 0 of V, or B. Phase BC, or C. Phase 1, 2, 3, or D. Preclinical quarantine approval. The correct answer is C. Phase 1, 2, 3. What is the goal of community-based participatory research? A. Enhancing health equity, or B. Increasing publication rates, or C. Maximizing research funding, or D. Standardizing research methods. The correct answer is A. Enhancing health equity. What is the focus of regenerative medicine? A. Tissue repair and regeneration, or B. Disease prevention, or C. Cancer treatment, or D. Genetic modification. The correct answer is A. Tissue repair and regeneration. Which tool is essential for diagnosing and monitoring diseases? A. Stethoscope, or B. Thermometer, or C. Blood pressure cuff, or D. Biomarkers. The correct answer is D. Biomarkers. What type of research combines clinical and laboratory investigations? A. Longitudinal analysis, or B. Basic research, or C. Observational study, or D. Translational research. The correct answer is D. Translational research. What model aims to enhance patient-centered care and research? A. Traditional model, or B. Industrial model, or C. Patient-centric model, or D. Evidence-based model. The correct answer is C. Patient-centric model. Which method determines the speed of drug absorption? A. Drug solubility, or B. Enzyme activity, or C. Bioavailability, or D. Pharmacokinetics. The correct answer is D. Pharmacokinetics. What is the objective of biostatistics in medicine? A. Drug development, or B. Disease prevention, or C. Data analysis, or D. Patient diagnosis. The correct answer is C. Data analysis. What is the role of a principal investigator in a clinical trial? A. Patient recruiter, or lead research oversight, or C. Safety monitor, or D. Data entry clerk. The correct answer is B. Lead research oversight. What are biomarkers used for in translational research? A. Patient profiling, or B. Cost reduction, or C. Disease detection, or D. Treatment administration. The correct answer is C. Disease detection. What technique is used to visualize molecular interactions? A. Fluorescence microscopy, or B. Electron diffraction, or C. Mass spectrometry, or D. X-ray scattering. The correct answer is A. Fluorescence microscopy. What is the term for adapting research findings to patient care? A. Translational research, or B. Clinical integration, or C. Evidence-based practice, or D. Implementation science. The correct answer is D. Implementation science. What is a common goal of translational research? A. Conducting basic science, or B. Reducing research costs, or C. Publishing academic papers, or D. Improving patient outcomes. The correct answer is D. Improving patient outcomes. What does the term bench to bedside refer to in research? A. Research to theory, or B. Clinical to animal, or C. Discovery to production, or D. Laboratory to clinical application. The correct answer is D, laboratory to clinical application. Which concept refers to the integration of genetic data in treatment decisions? A, traditional treatment, or B, genetic profiling, or C, precision medicine, or D, personalized therapy? The correct answer is C, precision medicine. What is a common model for testing interventions in public health? A, cross-sectional survey, or B, cohort study, or C, randomized controlled trial, or D, case report? The correct answer is C, randomized controlled trial. Which field investigates the genetics of diseases? A, genomics or microbiology, or Z, ecology, or D, epidemiology? The correct answer is A, genomics. What type of clinical study observes outcomes without intervention? A, observational study, or B, randomized trial, or C, experimental study, or D, double-blind study? The correct answer is A, observational study. What is the ethical standard for conducting clinical research? A, research funding, or B, animal testing, or C, ethical approval, or D, informed consent? The correct answer is D, informed consent. What are the barriers to effective translational medicine? A, lack of interest, or B, excessive data, or C, simple procedures, or D, funding and regulations? The correct answer is D, funding and regulations. What is essential for successful collaboration in translational research? A, interdisciplinary teams, or B, sole investigator, or C, single discipline focus, or D, basic research funding? The correct answer is A, interdisciplinary teams. Which study design allows for rapid testing of drugs? A, adaptive trial, or B, single cohort study, or C, randomized control trial, or D, longitudinal analysis? The correct answer is A, adaptive trial. What does the term targeted therapy refer to in treatment? A, chemotherapy drugs, or B, broad spectrum treatment, or C, surgical intervention, or D, specific molecular targets? The correct answer is D, specific molecular targets. Which stage of drug development comes after preclinical testing? A, market approval, or B, phase 4 trials, or C, phase 1 trials, or D, animal testing? The correct answer is C, phase 1 trials. Which process involves modifying genetic material to treat disease? A, gene editing, or B, gene cloning, or C, DNA transcription, or D, protein synthesis? The correct answer is A, gene editing. Which technology aids in the personalized treatment of cancer? X-ray treatment, or B, chemotherapy, or C, next-generation sequencing, or D, blood transfusion? The correct answer is C, next-generation sequencing. What role do regulatory agencies play in drug approval? A, setting drug prices, or B, ensuring safety and efficacy, or C, marketing drugs, or D, conducting research? The correct answer is B, ensuring safety and efficacy. What does the term translational biomarkers mean? A, drug toxicity markers, or B, indicators of treatment response, or C, genetic mutation indicators, or D, disease progression signs? The correct answer is B, indicators of treatment response. What is the goal of health technology assessment? A, determining drug prices, or B, expanding healthcare access, or C, evaluating clinical benefits, or D, maximizing profits? The correct answer is C, evaluating clinical benefits. What is a critical phase in clinical trial design? A, drug formulation, or B, protocol development, or C, participant recruitment, or D, budget estimation? The correct answer is B, protocol development. Which technology assists in tracking health data over time? A, home exercise, or B, smartphones, or C, medical journals, or D, wearable devices? The correct answer is D, wearable devices. What is the foundational bioethics principle in research? A, fidelity, or B, autonomy, or C, beneficence, or D, justice? The correct answer is C, beneficence. What aspect is essential in the design of intervention studies? A, data collection, or B, sample size, or C, participant feedback, or D, randomization? The correct answer is D, randomization. What is an important consideration for patient recruitment? A, social media presence, or B, study location, or C, eligibility criteria, or D, advertising budget? The correct answer is C, eligibility criteria. Which platform facilitates collaboration among researchers? A, video streaming, or B, research networks, or C, online shopping, or D, social media? The correct answer is B, research networks. What type of studies are retrospective analyses of existing medical records? A, case reports, or B, retrospective cohort studies, or C, cross-sectional studies, or D, prospective trials? The correct answer is B, retrospective cohort studies. What does translational research primarily aim to reduce? A, from discovery to treatment, or B, cost of healthcare, or C, patient enrollment time, or D, side effects? The correct answer is A, time from discovery to treatment. What is a common thorny issue in clinical trials? A, data analysis, or B, participant recruitment, or C, study design issues, or D, funding limitations? The correct answer is B, participant recruitment. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.